Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my latest order from the CoffeeMonsterzCo. This is a Ontario, Canada-based company, which I also am in Ontario, so I'm happy to support someone local. The order is shipped out. I purchased this about a month ago, and you can see here it was packaged by HON. The wonderful things inside are something very simple. I have a set of 3 Happy Hobbies washi tape in 15 millimeters. The cost for each of those washies is $6.55. The couple little things here are some freebies. I have this little sampler, which is perfect with the movie night theme. I'll definitely use that. And then this cute little emoji. So I'm grateful for those little extras. The washi tape here has all sorts of highlights of a very different hobbies, planning, watching a movie, walking in the outdoors, taking pictures. It's really a very cute washi, and one of the things that I thought that I could do is either use it all full at the bottom of a layout or use it individually, like cut each individual little emoji out, and then if we're having a movie night, I could just put that down, or if I'm doing my planning, I could put that down. So it's really sweet. I'm going to do a layout for you here in my Hobonichi HON. This is how I've been doing my memory keeping lately, and I've really been enjoying it. I do have a full video on all the supplies and techniques that I use to do this, but if you want to follow along, I'll put this washi tape to work right away. So this is a finished layout of my Mother's Day celebrations. We did something to honor the moms who are no longer with us, and we painted rocks in their memory and then placed them in the Hope and Memory Garden, which was a really fun event to do and a nice way to remember those who are no longer with us. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more videos, I'll leave some links here that may be of interest to you. See you again next time.